other flashlight after.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So today we are starting heme and lymphoid module. This very first lecture in the subject of biochemistry by the name of hemoglobin regarding factors affecting hemoglobin dissociation curve. So in this presentation we will see the general structure of the hemoglobin, its different types, line function, and biochemical aspects of ODC, which is the oxygen dissociation curve. This graphic representation actually highlights the function of hemoglobin concerned with its oxygen transporting and oxygen delivering property. So the purpose of studying ODC or the oxygen dissociation curve to see how hemoglobin is effective in its function of transporting and delivering oxygen to the tissues. Very briefly, from very basic point of view, hemoglobin is a protein. Protein means it is made up of amino acid. General aspects of protein you have already done in your foundation module. Hemoglobin has various names. It is a type of metalloprotein because it has metal, iron in its structure. So, what do you think? It is a complex protein or simple protein?
Complex.
Complex protein. At the same time, it is also conjugated protein. It is also called chromoprotein because when we do protein analysis in electrophoresis and chromatic graph, we notice that it gives characteristic color. Any proteins which produce some significant color on analysis, on analyzing instruments, we use the word chromoprotein. Is it a plasma protein? What a plasma protein?
Albumin, globulin, ligotropic
Why they
proteins
are a
and
plasma protein?
plasma.
Hemoglobin is not plasma protein. And red blood cells are present in plasma.
ब्लड सेल्स के अंदर ब्लड
Plasma is not the part of blood.
नहीं पार्ट ऑफ ब्लड लेकिन ब्लड सेल्स का कंपोनेंट है ये
Okay, you are right. Hemoglobin is not plasma. Blood has two components. Sorry, put over the floor. 45% solid constitute cellular part and 55%
55%
generally
plasma.
liquid fluid form, which is plasma. So plasma has a long variety of long list of proteins. All proteins present in that fluid part are called plasma proteins. But the cellular part, WBCs, platelets, and red blood cells, inside they have several proteins. Of course, themselves they are made up of proteins. RBC is a cell. It has cell membrane, no nucleus but cytoplasm, and they are full of very tiny characteristic feature of the heme component of hemoglobin is that it has iron in the form of iron.
Porphyrin.
There are so many other proteins which have heme other than hemoglobin. For example, the sister of the hemoglobin is myoglobin, and there are so many other enzymes, catalase, hydrogen peroxide peroxidase, and various kind of the cytochrome reductase. They also have heme. Well, about the hemoglobin concentration in adult males and female infants, the levels are little bit different. In adult males, when we say adult males, कितना adult होना चाहिए? Adult means mature, sensible. Are you sure? After attaining 45 or 50 years age, person become mature? Sometimes. Usually husband never mature in view of the wife. Adult female 35. For physiological point of view, adult age for the male and female is considered 35 to 45. Right?
Yes.
Adult male is 14 to 16 gram percent. Gram percent means
Over 100.
first module.
14 gram over 100.
Weight by weight relationship.
Over 100 gram.
If you have 100 gram of blood, every 100 gram of the blood, how much hemoglobin is present by weight percentage in that individual?
Adult male means 14 to
16
16.
gram. 100 gram total,
Yes.
14 gram to 16 gram per day hemoglobin. Clear? 100 gram of blood. 100 gram blood is also equivalent to 100 ml. We can also say that, for example, suppose we have an adult individual, Mr. Ahmed, age 40 years. His HP level is 15 gram percent. 15 gram percent. कोई कहा का hemoglobin level हमने चेक किया तो रीडिंग आ रही है 15 ग्राम percent. It means that it has 15 gram in 100 ml of the blood. Clear? Or in other words, the scientific unit is your laboratory report में
100 milliliter.
15 gram per. ये सही है, पढ़ते रहो बोलते रहो.
Deciliter.
Scientific यूज भी कह सकते हैं,
Centimeter.
but it is deciliter.
सही बोला था मैं फिर
That's
दूसरा.
part of the 100 ml is 100 ml is which
Tenth
part
part.
of liter?
1/10.
लीटर को अगर 10 हिस्सों में
1/10.
डिवाइड करें तो
हाँ
हर
ठीक
हिस्से
है.
में कितने मिलीलीटर होंगे?
1/10.
It is deciliter. तो 15 ग्राम परसेंट के हैं, 15 ग्राम पर 100 ml के हैं, 15 ग्राम पर डेसीलीटर के हैं. फीमेल का फिर वैल्यू थोड़ा सी कम है. Why? Two reasons. BMR of male is generally high, and there are some male sex hormones which stimulates erythropoiesis more, and there are menses, regular menses, menstrual loss of the blood. That's why female has less blood hemoglobin. Infants have higher number of hemoglobin. Why?
क्योंकि उनकी सारी बोन्स का बोन मैरो रेड होता है.
Newborn baby have highest level of the
बोन
hemoglobin.
मैरो
Not total, percentage wise.
रेड
तो
बोन.
blood तो कम होगा direct वो सब बदली. But percentage wise is up to 20 gram percent, 20 gram per 100. molecule of the hemoglobin, there are four polypeptide chains, 2 alpha and 2 beta. And each polypeptide chain have heme. So how many hemes are there in one molecule of?
Four.
Because you will see the picture. This is about the size, color, 29 milligram of hemoglobin is present in one. This is these values are not mandatory to remember, but just for information. Now the types of hemoglobin. As we know that hemoglobin is a tetramer. This is the molecule, single molecule of the hemoglobin. It is one polypeptide chain, another total four polypeptides. These four polypeptide chains are arranged in two pairs. Pair of alpha beta, pair of alpha beta. We have two pairs of alpha beta. Pair is between the opposite or the different types of the polypeptide chains. हम यूं भी कह सकते थे कि two pairs of alpha alpha beta beta. एक पेयर ये हो गया है, दूसरा पेयर ये हो गया. ऐसा नहीं होता. Affinity is the molecule of the distance. This distance is found between the opposite type of the polypeptide. That's why एक अल्फा और एक बीटा, बीटा वन
Alpha one.
अल्फा वन में वन पेयर, बीटा टू अल्फा टू में वन
One
पेयर.
pair.
So we can say that how many pairs are there in the molecule
Two.
of hemoglobin?
Two.
Two pairs. One एक अल्फा बीटा, दूसरा
This alpha beta.
and each one have iron
Hmm.
in the form of heme. Now the types of hemoglobin. On the basis of amino acid composition of polypeptide chain of hemoglobin, hemoglobin are of many types. Hemoglobin A, hemoglobin A2, hemoglobin F, hemoglobin
A1.
A1, and methemoglobin. And hemoglobin. Most common, most abundant one is the hemoglobin A or hemoglobin A1, which is about in the adult. We are talking about the adult healthy individual. 90% is type of A or A1, and it has 2 alpha and 2 beta. Alpha chain has some amino acid, beta chain has some amino acids, and obviously they are different from the polypeptide chain of the other types of the hemoglobin. Another type is hemoglobin A2. It has 2 alpha and 2 delta chain. We are not going into the detail, and it is not possible कि हम याद करेंगे कौन-कौन से अमीनो एसिड है. अगर हम रिसर्च करते हैं तो then we can find out. But we know that the 2 delta chains are different from the 2 beta chains of hemoglobin A. So you must know that the difference between the hemoglobin A and A2 is of polypeptide. Two chains are common in both, and these two alpha chains are common in all. आपका वर्कलोड इजी हो गया. जितने भी टाइप्स हैं सब में 4 पॉलीपेप्टाइड चेन. जितने भी हीमोग्लोबिन की टाइप्स हैं सब में कितनी